Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I just got my Weber's dual 34 ICT carburetors in, distributed by Redline. I did open it up and kind of peep in and see what's going on. I should have done that with you guys, but I just wanted to make sure that these were actually Weber's, because you never know when you're ordering online. And I did pop one open, and as you can see right there on the front, it's Weber on the pump, and also Weber casted in, and also Weber made in Spain. 34 ICT. So yeah, looks like they're legit. I'm pretty happy. I was really worried that they might be copies. So yeah, it's got some fuel line, vacuum line, instruction manual, the air filters, my new manifolds, which I don't know if you checked out the other video, but I did just take these out. Let's see, something like that, and that's the new one, so we'll just pop on there. Got my gaskets, my linkage. I'm going to use this linkage for now, see how it does. I've heard some bad things about it, but you know what? It could be good. It could be crap. I'll just test them out. If I don't like it, I'll go to the ball bearing linkage, which is cool. I got these that go on the linkage for my throttle cable. That. All my clamps and T's, and these actually mount onto the carbs, and that's what my torsion bar would go across, or yeah, whatever. Hopefully I said that right. And got some more hardware and just mounting brackets and stuff like that. And yeah, so there's one, and here's the other. That's how it comes packed. Paper on top. I haven't opened this one yet, and then wrapped in plastic, and sure enough, Weber made in Spain. Perfect. So yeah, I'll get to work here real soon. I'm still waiting on my jets. I am gonna rejet them. I got my jets ordered. They should be in soon, hopefully within a few days, maybe by Monday or Tuesday, since today's Thursday, and I will rejet them. So I got to take this thing apart and pull my jets out. The ones that I got my idle jet. It's a 55, and then my air correction. You know what, I don't think I got my air correction. I think I'm going to leave the stock one. But my main jet I did get, and I got the, I believe the F6 or the F5. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and look. The F6 or F5 emulsion tube I got for it. So just a few jets I'm going to swap around, and that'll be like $100. Cost me like $100 to upgrade those few jets, which is cool, you know. I mean, I think I picked this thing up, this whole kit, online for under $400 with free shipping, which is a pretty good deal. It's like $200 a carb. There's my old carb, still sitting there. I haven't done anything in a couple days since I took that stuff out. Just been kind of waiting around. So now I guess I can get on to taking out my old jets, getting ready for my new jets when they come in. Maybe put on my manifolds. You know, and then I did pull this thing down, and my battery's unhooked and everything. I didn't want any sparks flying around while I'm working on the fuel system. That was the first thing I did. I don't think I showed anyone that I even did that, but it's been unhooked. That looks like the positive, but it's actually my ground. My wires are a little jacked up. I got a black one for my positive. I got a red one for my negative. Whatever. I know what they are. Nobody better be messing with it, or else they're gonna get a nice little surprise. Okay, yeah, that's it for now. I'm just gonna figure out everything I got and see if there's anything else I need before. I did stuff those up too, so nothing fell in after. Yeah, I'll just check everything out, make sure I don't need anything, and if I do these manifolds, I'll do a short vid on that. That shouldn't take long at all. Should be real simple. I don't have to deal with this thing. Luckily, I didn't mess it up too bad when I took it out. Thing's still pretty solid and not bent, not cracked, not broken. You know, and the paint's still on there, which is nice. Anyways, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Later.